Hey, in this video I will show you how to configure the BookingPress Multi-Service Addon. Go to the BookingPress Add-ons page. This is the BookingPress Add-ons page. Scroll down the page and activate the Multi-Service Addon. Now, the add-on is activated. Go to the front-end side and book an appointment that includes more services. Select a date and time for your service. Enter the basic details and click to Summary button. This is the BookingPress Summary page. Now select the payment method and click on the Book Appointment button. Now your appointment is booked. Go to the backend side Appointments page. This is the Manage Appointment page, where you can see all appointment records with details. Now, go to the Payments page. This is the BookingPress Payments page, where you can see all appointment payment-related records. Now, go to the Notification page. This is the BookingPress Default Notifications page. Here, you can see action-wise notification. You can also add a multi-service shortcode to your selected notification.